Doctors are shocked. A simple food that can melt belly fat. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, science backs it up. If you've been struggling with stubborn belly fat, you need to know about this. Stay tuned, because in this video, we'll reveal the one food that changing lives and how you can use it to burn fat effortlessly. Before we start, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more life-changing health tips. Belly fat isn't just about looks, it's dangerous. Studies show that excess belly fat increases the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and even cancer. But don't worry, because the solution might already be in your kitchen. So what is this magical fat-burning food? It's pause for suspense avocados. That's right, these creamy green fruits are loaded with healthy fats that help torch belly fat fast. But wait, how can fat help you burn fat? Avocados contain monounsaturated fats, which boost metabolism and keep you full longer. Plus, they help reduce inflammation, a major cause of weight gain. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that people who ate one avocado daily saw a significant reduction in belly fat compared to those who didn't eat. The reason? Avocados regulate blood sugar levels, preventing fat storage. Now the key is to eat avocados the right way. Here's how: morning boost. Add avocado to your smoothie or eggs. Lunch hack: use it in salads or sandwiches instead of unhealthy dressings. Dinner trick: replace carbs with avocado-based dishes for a fat-burning meal. So what do you think? Are you ready to add this fat-burning powerhouse to your diet? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest health tips.